In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a custom domain in Sellfy. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or just starting out, customizing your store with a unique domain can significantly enhance your brand recognition and give your storefront a more professional look. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step so you can get your custom domain up and running in no time. First, you'll want to log into your Sellfy account. This is your main dashboard where you manage all the aspects of your online store. If you're having trouble remembering your login credentials, be sure to use the password recovery option to regain access. It's important to keep your login info secure, so consider updating your password periodically to maintain the security of your account. Next, navigate to the Store Settings section. This is where you can make various adjustments to how your store looks and functions. From there, you'll want to go to the Customization tab. Think of this area as your playground for tweaking the visual and functional aspects of your store to match your brand's aesthetics and operational preferences. Once you're in the Customization section, you'll see a field labeled Custom Domain. This is where the magic happens. Enter your full domain name, exactly as you want customers to see it. It's essential to include prefixes like www if you want it displayed as such. For instance, enter the domain as www.yourdomain.com. Having your own domain strengthens your brand and makes your store more memorable to your customers. After entering your domain, don't forget to click on the Save button. This step is crucial as it ensures that all your changes are recorded and your store is ready to be accessed via your custom domain. A quick tip here. Always double-check your domain entry before saving to avoid any potential connectivity issues with your website. It's a small but important step in keeping your store easily accessible. Once you've saved, give it a few moments for the changes to take effect. If everything was done correctly, your store should now be accessible using your new custom domain. This seamless integration between Sellfy and your domain means that your customers can now find your store more easily, reinforcing your brand identity and making your online presence look all the more polished. And there you have it, your very own custom domain set up in Sellfy. While these steps are simple, they can significantly impact your brand's perception and visibility. With this professional touch added to your online store, you're well on your way to standing out in the digital marketplace. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tips and tricks on building and enhancing your online business. Happy selling!